come on now. How you gonna turn down a hot meal and good company? I'll go open that bottle. Hey, there he is. Come on in. Come on. I hope she ain't crimping for hours up there. We'll never eat. Go check on her, will you?
Hey.
Well, sure. Hey, get to know the place. Make yourself at home. Well, just go hurry her up a little. She won't listen to me. Go on, partner. She won't mind.
I didn't mean to intrude, miss.
It's all right. Looking ain't a crime. You go on and have a seat at the table. I'll be down in a minute.
Yeah.
Hey, slow it down. Plenty of time for that.
Sure. My apologies, miss.
And there was me thinking you was the bashful type.
Sheila, be down in just a minute.
Woohoo! That is what I like to hear. Now pull up a chair, partner. Oh, hey!
Hey!
Wait, this is just about perfect. One of them moments you wish could last forever.
Well, like I said, I can't stay for long.
Then look at us, like a couple of old friends. Ah, it's a short life, but a merry one.
Here we are, all the fixings. I hope you boys left some room in your trousers.
That smells delicious. Food don't smell too bad neither.
Oh, stop it, you! How do you like it?
It's good. Different.
That meat is so tender. You know what? This place used to be a pig farm when we was kids. Before we lost our Ma and Pa. Horrible business.
Horrible.
We still got each other, ain't that right, honey pie?
And we still know how to have the hog killing time.
There, that's for you. Hey.
Where are my manners? Drinks.
Yeah, I could definitely use a drink.
That stuff will put hair on your chest.
Oh, I doubt he needs that. Let's loosen you up some more. Come on.
What the hell is that? That's an old Aberdeen home recipe. That one right there is in 1894.
Feels like someone stabbing me in the head.
Come on, I thought I had a man here, not a boy. One more, and you and I both will go upstairs and have a
Ah, what the hell?
Oh, about time. Now take whatever cash he has on her. Put behind Mama.